welcome to another video. I think it's so easy. Today we have this equation. How can I solve this equation? At first, we can take 5 raised to x common factor. We can write 5 raised to x, right? Here remind 1, and here 1, and here 1, and here 1. Okay, equal 1000. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, 4. 5 raised to x, and here 4 equal 1000. And then we can divide by 4. Divide by 4 both sides. Both sides. Okay, and now we can cancel 4 and 4. 5 raised to x equal 1000 divided by 4, 250. What we can write now? We can take log to both sides. Log 5 raised to x equal log of 250, and then we can write x here. X log 5 equal log 250, and we can divide by log of 5 both sides. X equal, because log 5 cancel log 5, and here log 250 over log of 5. This value of x. I think it's so easy.